Porto Seguro Resort, Brazil. Vamos. Vamos, vamos, vamos. Desculpa. Torre Resort, state of Bahia. We are over there somewhere. He's selling sunglasses. Want some sunglasses? All right. So this, no, you don't have to be home. My wife keeps trying to steal the show. That's not going to happen. It's my show. If she wants a show, she can do her own show. So anyway, this is all the beach. Just keeps on going. So we're just at the south end of all this. I didn't know this existed. Or believe me, I would have been here. I really like where we're at. I really do, but I like something going on. Something. Ciao. Let me change. Alright, we just moved up the beach a little bit. And what we have, we're with the, we're friendly with the Pataxo Tribe, and they're from this area, Bahia. And then there's 3 more tribes from the Amazon, and there's one more, and then there's one more, and then there's this group here. And here's one of the areas. This is not the place, but this right here represents the first mass that ever took place when the Portuguese or the Spanish, when they first got here, many hundreds of years ago. We're on the main street, and then we have this little thing here, just represents them, and then all the artistry will go over there. Oi, bom dia. Oh, desculpa. Boa tarde. E aqui, ó, tem coisas, muita coisa aqui. Crianças, kids, has everything. You got switching between Portuguese and these. All these people are from the tribe, and they actually live up 2 hours away. So let me. Oh, puppy dog! Puppy dog! This is a little puppy dog. He kept us. He was our friend the whole time. Right? 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 Oh, Puppy dog.
Pode ficar à vontade lá mesmo.
Ah, tá bom. Ah, aqui, ó. So we'll go in here. See the wife. Desculpa. Licença. Ah, no sense. So, all their things for sale here.
She's the owner of the store.
Oh.
Ivana, she's personalizing like a cup over there.
Uh-huh.
Can you film? Pode filmar você, Ivana?
Pode.
Pode filmar você fazendo? Pode. Yes, you can film her. Yes, that's
Ivana vai ficar internacional.
We're just asking permission.
Yeah, you need to perguntar porque muitas pessoas não gostam.
Faz marketing
She's
da loja.
personalizing the cup for some clients outside.
Ah,
Yeah.
that's cool. Very nice. Nenê, dormi.
Hey, I saw some. Hi.
So that's Leon's tribe. That's where they sell all their things, everything I showed you. And it's a family affair. They actually live 2 hours away. They don't make that trip every day, but primarily they do. Another one of their cousins who we showed you, what's the name of the little boy? Remember?
Shine of the sun.
Yeah, basically it's shine of the sun. We misunderstood it. We understood it as the king of the sun, or son of the sun, but it's brilho do sol. Brilho do sol. So we're just gonna cruise down here to the bend, and then we're gonna turn around and go back. It's getting late, and by late I mean it's almost 3 o'clock, which is late around here. They're already pulling all the umbrellas from the bars. Well, not all of them, just ours. We'll see how it goes.
But they say start very early. It starts very early, like 5 in the morning. People's already walking. That's the difference.
Yeah, the sun's up early here, so get up early, drink early, go to bed early, start at day 2. So here's another bar. Here's the boat from yesterday. So we'll see what we discover on the way. Alright, now we're going around the northern point. Got some people looking for bull shark attacks. Oh yeah, big time. Yeah. Oh yeah. Bahia, yeah. CP, Bahia, that whole area is full of bull sharks. National Geographic, you know. So this seems to be like a busier beach area.
That's bar.
Those are all the bars, it's not the hotels and resorts. Like where we're at, it's the resort and bars of theirs on the beach. So
Resort bars.
and you got Moça aqui. She's selling something. She's selling waves.
Bem-vindos aí.
Bem.
Tudo, né? São de onde?
Oi,
Conheço de Caldas Novas.
Ah, sim, Caldas Novas. Hot Park.
Ah, já conheceram o nosso? Privé da Bahia Brazil?
Privé da Belém? Não, eu fui não.
O Privé lá que
Nós
o
temos um
marido.
apartamento lá e a gente vai pra pousada.
Ixi, nem liga muito, né? Pois é, o nosso tá construindo ali do lado do Hotel Cora Vermelho, para horizonte daqui, né? Você
Pelo
vai-
vermelho eu vi.
Isso. O Cora Vermelho faz parte também da nossa parceria do lado, tem uma loja gigantesca, né? Serão 7 piscinas, academia, cinema, spa. É o único que vai ter cinema 3D. E vocês são meus convidados para ir lá conhecer a maquete, o comportamento do modelo, né? Em forma de agradecimento, vou presentear os aqui de praias, né? O curso de praia e nosso
O
logotipo.
nosso problema, querida, é tempo.
Tempo?
They sell like a resort so we can go and see all the resorts and they build a new one.
Somebody
Estamos lá
got
até às 17 horas. Quando quiseres, Miriam, meu nome, não esquece do meu
Não,
nome,
não
tá?
esqueço.
Vem pra cá lá que eu vou mostrar pra vocês tudo direitinho.
Nós estamos com água bastante. Você sabe como é que é, né?
Quem tiver de casal, quem tiver essas coisas águas, lua de mel. Hã? Vai começar setembro, né? 30 anos de casado. Top, né? Gente, 30 anos de casado. Quem diz, né? Não quero saber nem quanto eu tenho. Mas meu nome.
All right, this cross, I don't know exactly the date, 15 something or 14 late, around 1500. This is the spot of the first mass that took place in South America. I took a picture.
Pedro Álvares Cabral quem?
Who?
Pedro Álvares Cabral
Pedro Alvarez Cabral
came
and discovered Brazil, the Portuguese explorer. And then over here, we have a much larger one, and that one was done by the president at the time to celebrate.
Fernando Henrique Cardoso.
Who?
Fernando Henrique Cardoso.
Did you get that? Fernando Henrique Cardoso. So he brought the president of Portugal over, and they built this monument to celebrate the 500 years since Brazil was discovered. And here we are.
And he was the first man.
And it's all beach bars and little stores. Brazil. Let's check out Lorenzo, see what he's doing today. Said he was going down to the beach. Hold on. What are you doing? You don't know? You just decided to get stuck in the beach? It's a good picture, Nene. Let's try this. Don't break it yet. You look good, buddy. Good look. Got the whole ocean behind you. Okay, you can break out.
Vai com força, vai.
Come on, Hulky.
Vai que a água tá chegando em você.
Bang!
Força.
Come on!
Agora dá um pulão na água, vai.
Nenezinho.
Vamos lá.
Te amo.